Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I think you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I would like to discuss a topic from English for Today for class 8. Okay, dear students, let's start our class. Dear students, welcome. Here, this is introduction and it is a model content developer. MD Hassan Hafizur Rahman. I am the editor and presenter of this content. Okay. So, dear students, let's watch and observe some images. Let's watch and observe some images. Here you see an image writing on stone. Writing on stone. Okay. Another picture, it means here writing on bark. Here writing on bark. After that, you see that the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It means it is also writing and writing on slate. Here, another picture, it means paper. Now we write on papers. Now we write on papers, of course. Here, another picture, you see written records. Written records. Okay? Here. After that, we see what have you observed by the images? A gradual development of writing materials, and at last it has been fixed into papers. It means we have seen some pictures before and it is a gradual process, and at last it has been fixed into papers. Okay? Dear students, has it advanced our life? It means has paper advanced our life? Okay. If yes, let us see our today's lesson. Here you see our today's lesson is Paper has advanced our life, Unit 9, Lesson 6. Okay. So, dear students, open your textbook and paper and pencil and pen. I think you have to note some points. Okay. Learning outcomes of this content. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read aloud text with proper sound, stress and intonation, write answers to the questions, and write short paragraphs. Okay? So, now, look at the picture and say what this is. Discuss with your partner. Here, a picture, another picture is here, and now another picture, and here 4 pictures. Okay? So, keywords of the lesson. It means every lesson in my previous class, I stress on some words or some vocabularies, and so in this lesson, we also learn some keywords. Okay? So, dear students, first we see record. Record. It means it is the picture of record. Okay? Meaning evidence or documentation. Evidence or documentation. Here you see a sentence, give me the record of your information. Of course, it is a common sentence. Okay? So, now, surface. Surface. And you know, these words are keywords. It means these words are taken from this lesson. Okay? Now, here you see indication. It means under. It is a bench, and here indication is under, and then over. It means up. But what is surface? Surface means in this point. Here it is surface. So surface means outward or upper portion. Upper portion. Okay? Dear students, surface water of the river is not clean. Understand, it is a sentence using this word. So another word, stone. Stone means it is the image of stone, and I think it is a common picture. Okay. So what is the meaning of stone? Rock or peoples. Okay. So another one, bark. You see, it is the picture of a bark. Here you see skin of the tree. Skin of the tree. Surface of the tree. It means this is called bark. In Bengali, it is called bakol. Here, there is no tree without bark. There is no tree without bark. Of course, it is correct. You see, here, encyclopedia, it means the color of this skin is not appropriate, I think, but you have to see encyclopedia. What is the meaning of encyclopedia? It means it is a picture of encyclopedia, and here written records of the world, whole world. It means written records of the world is called encyclopedia. So now we see wood plank. What is the meaning of wood plank? And you see it is wood plank, and people wrote on wood plank in ancient time. Understand? In ancient time, people had to write on the wood plank. So here you see digital. Digital. It means it is a sign of digital. It means to the point. It means to the point, real, actual, or perfect item. It means this is digital. Okay? So now we see that a picture, it means here communication of ideas is at the center of ... It means this is the first line of the text, and I think you can match with the text in your textbook. Okay? Now we see that communication, here civilization. Civilization. Okay? So communication of ideas is the center of civilization. Here we see that, but what does it need? What does it need? Here we see that written records. It means we need written records. So here, how did people transfer ideas in ancient time? It means you have a question that how did people transfer ideas in ancient time? Here you see that it is mouth and it is ear. Here it is speaking, and now listening. It means this is the process. How did people transfer ideas in ancient time? Okay, then how the ideas transmitted? How? We see that writing. After that, writing. Next step is writing. Okay, was it very easy? Was it very easy? So here, no, because writing materials was not available. Because writing materials was not available. Understand? So, what did people write then on? What did people write then on? Here, we see that people wrote them on. It means it is a picture in my previous slide. We have already seen another picture, and here another picture. It means these items are used to write for writing purpose. Here we see that these items. It means people wrote them on these items. Okay. Now, here students, you see it is a stone. After that, metal. Then wood. After that, bark. It means these items are used to write. Okay. So, dear students, now, and here you see, what is this? Leaves. It means these leaves are also used to writing purpose. Here you see, knowledge was very restricted before paper age. Knowledge was very restricted before paper age. Why? We see, it is very easy to carry on. Here, a textbook of translation. Here you see, it is very easy. It means it is very easy to carry a book of 100 pages. But is it all easy to carry a book of 100 pieces of stones? Is it possible? You can just imagine. Then you can realize that why the knowledge was very restricted at that time. Okay, so now we see for this problem, people look for easy writing materials for ages. Finally, paper was invented in China in 105 AD. It means, dear students, you have to know the information, and to answer your question, you have to know the information of your text. So, Anno Domini, it means we can keep all our records in the papers now. Now we can keep all the records on the paper. In fact, paper has changed our life. Of course, paper has changed our life. Now, we see that, but in modern age, where are we staying? Where are we staying? To think we become very excited because of these items. It means we are very much excited for inventing such items. Here you see, we can carry the entire world of knowledge in a form in our laptops, mobile, and memory cards. It means we can carry whole world using these items. Now, complete the following sentence, dear students. Here you see the picture. It means like me, a teacher is sharing some ideas with the students. The person who invented paper is a dash man. It means you can fill up by the ideas in my previous slides. He took the bark of a mulberry tree and dashed rivers. This knowledge of dash was first used in China. The word paper is not dash. Now, the word paper was derived from a kind of Egyptian plant called dash. It means you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate words using the information from your text. Now, here you see the answer. The person who invented paper is a Chinese man. Understand? Now, another one. He took a bark of mulberry tree and bamboo fibers. Okay. Now, this knowledge of paper making was first used in China. It means these words are appropriate to fill in the blanks. So, after that, the word paper is not a Bengali word. Of course, what is this? Paper is an English word, isn't it? So, next one, papyrus. It means an Egyptian plant called papyrus. It means from this plant, paper has been invented. So, I would like to give you HW because I know you have already read the text in your textbook in the passage, and reading this passage, it is very easy to answer this question. Understand? Let's read the question. How did people transfer ideas before writing was invented? Dear students, these questions are very important. Understand? In your exam, you have to answer questions, and each question you will get 2 marks. Okay? So, how did people transfer ideas before writing was invented? I think the answer is available in my previous slides. Now, why did people look for easy materials? It means, why did people look for easy materials? I think it is also clear to you because I have already shown you. Now, question number 3. Why was knowledge very restricted in paper age? Why was knowledge very restricted in paper age? I think it is also clear to you. How has paper changed our life? How has paper changed our life? And it is very important question, I think. And I think you have to answer with your own words, using your own thoughts. Okay? Last question, where and when was paper invented? It is informative and I think the information is very clear to you. Okay? So, dear students, let's finish today, and we have gratitude in this institution, in this person, because it is a model content, and I would like to say you that in the critical, crucial moment we are passing, but you have to continue your study, and I think we all are trying, and you have to help us, you have to cooperate yourself, and by this way our study will be continued. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.